Hello everyone, welcome back to our science lesson. Today we will learn about elements, molecules and compounds. These are very important basic ideas in chemistry. First, let's understand elements. An element is a pure substance made of only one type of atom. Examples include oxygen, hydrogen, and iron. All elements are organized in the periodic table. Each element contains only one type of atom. For example, oxygen atoms make the element oxygen. Carbon atoms make the element carbon. Hydrogen atoms make the element hydrogen. One type of atom make each element. Now, let's talk about molecules. A molecule forms when two or more atoms join together. Two or more atoms join together. The atoms may be the same element or different elements. For example, O2 is a molecule made of two oxygen atoms. H2 is a molecule made of two hydrogen atoms. And H2O is a molecule made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Next is the compound. A compound forms when two or more different elements combine chemically. Two or more different elements chemically combine chemically. For example, water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Carbon dioxide is made of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. The chemical formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Now, let's understand the difference between a molecule and a compound. This is very important in chemistry. First, look at the top example. A molecule of the same atom. A molecules of the same atom. When two oxygen atoms join together, we get O2. This is a molecule because atoms are bonded together. But it is not a compound because both atoms are the same type. Next, molecules of different atoms. Here, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form H2O. This is a molecule and also a compound because it contains different types of atoms chemically bonded. Now, the key idea, a compound. A compound is always made of different elements bonded together. Different elements bonded together. So, H2O is a compound because it has hydrogen and oxygen. Now, look at the important notes. Some molecules are not compounds, like O2, but all compounds are molecules. So, remember this simple rule. A molecule can be same or different atoms, but a compound must be different atoms. Now, let's look at this simple comparison table to clearly understand the differences. First, element. An element is made of only one type of atom. For example, oxygen, just O. Next, molecules. A molecule is made of two or more atoms bonded together. These atoms can be the same or different. For example, O2, same atoms, and H2O, different atoms. So, both are molecules. Finally, compound. A compound is made of different elements joined together. So, it must have more than one type of atom. For example, H2O. It has hydrogen and oxygen. So, it is a compound. Now, connect the ideas. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Now, let's try a practice question. Which of the following is an element? Which of the following is an element? Think. Yes, the correct answer is C, Fe. Iron is a single element. And the next practice question is, which of the following is a compound? Yes, the correct answer is C, H2O. H2O is a compound, two different elements. Today, we learned three important ideas: elements, molecules, and compounds. Elements is made of only one type of atom, example O, Fe. Molecules is two or more atoms joined together, example O2. Compound is atoms from different elements chemically combined, example H2O. And the important facts is some substances can be both a molecule and a compound, for example H2O. Understanding these concepts will help you learn chemical bonds and chemical reactions. Thank you for learning with me today. Bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.